And the mother and the calf, the baby, the bond is started, the smell is the one. And it starts sucking the milk also. It's a beautiful thing to see. This is called Vasalya. All that is dirty thing also. It is my cow. I can eat it and make it clean. So Bhagavan shows Vasalya. I gave up my promise, my pledge. But giving up my pledge also I don't mind. Let my bhakta be protected. Oh Lord, I could see in you your love for Arjuna. That's what here he said. Why Mother Earth was shaking that time? The Tikakara said, there are all Vishwanath Chakravarti, Sridhara Swami, Anvita Prakashika, all these are the commentators on each verse. I study, when I got time, I study all those things. Here I got Sridhara Swami Tika with me. Now look at it, what happened. Mother Earth went to Kshirsagara with Brahmaji. Goputva Ashrumuki Khindavadana Krandantam Karunam Vibho Dasamaskanda. She was crying, Mother Earth is crying. Oh Lord, I can take the weight of the mountains, but I can't take the mountain of Rakshasas, Asuras, those who are not following Dharma, their weight I cannot take. Therefore destroy them, salvage me from them. This is the prarthana of Prithvi, Brahmaji, Shiva, everybody prayed. And Bhagavan said through Brahmaji, Vasudeva Gruhe Shaksha. I will born to Devaki and Vasudeva. My brother, my Shayya, Balramji will also come. All Devatas, you also take avatar as a Yadava and will do this job. So to fulfill the promise of Dharti, Prithvi, he came down. Now Prithvi saw Bhagavan is giving up his promise. अपनी प्रतिज्ञा को तोड़ रहे हैं. अब डर क्या लगा? जब अपनी प्रतिज्ञा तोड़ी तो मेरी रक्षा की भी क्या करेंगे? तोड़ देंगे. He may give up the pledge to protect me, to destroy the Asura. He may give up. Where will I go? If you look at Dasamaskanda, all the Devatas does beautiful stuti to Bhagavan when Bhagavan is in the Garbha. Satyavratam Satya, Satyavratam Satya, Paramti Satyam Satyasya Yoni, Nihitam Cha Satye, Satyasya Satyam, Satyatmakatvam Sharanam Prapannaha. Beautiful. You are Satya. One thing understand, there are two types of Satya. One is called relative Satyam, truth. Other is called absolute Satyam. Upanishad also talk about Satyena Labhya Esha Atma. Esha Atma Satya Vachanena Labhya. Satyam Vada. Satyameva Jayate Na Anrutam. All Matra. You to understand this, called value, as a value also talk. Yathartha Bhashanam Satyam. What you know and which is valid, you pass that information to other person is called Satyam. Always say, see, what you tell, it should be first verified. In India, if you ask direction to anybody, they always give direction. I say jao. I say jao means you will go, instead of north, you will reach south somewhere, but they will give bolo. They are enthusiastic to give direction. And that direction, if you listen, you will go crazy, you know. I don't want to tell how they give direction also. But they all were happy to give direction, whether they know it or not. आपसे जरूर आप ऐसे जाओ, ऐसे चले जाओ. They give medicine also not knowing what not problem you have got. There is a verse in Sanskrit. there is a person doesn't know any Vaidya, but he gives medicine to everybody. He takes some roots, some leaf, and just mix it up and give to anybody, let anything happen. That is well. Yaccha kasya tarormulam, yena tena cha vishtitam, yaccha, he give to anybody, yadva tadva bhavishyati. This is well. Yena prakarena, yadva tadva bhavishyati. This is a dangerous way. Always when you speak something, you always verify what you know is right or not, correct? That is called tu satyam. Ritam vadishyami, satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth, and I will speak truth which is what? Valid. Pramanikam. Always verify. Now here comes another one thing you have to know. Should you say all that is truth or not? All that is truth you should say, or whatever you say should be truth. Whatever you say should be truth. All the truth, if you start talking, you will be a lonely person in this world. Your wife asked you, how is the food today? Then you have to say what? Honey, in America especially, honey, you are doing better every day. The honey is amazing, honey. Oh, I never tasted so wonderful. He doesn't want to say it. Why? If you say all that is truth, you will be what? There won't be cooking afterwards. That's all. Kalti khawan nahi mala, kya bataye. Even if you ask doctors here, they won't tell you how I'm doing. Oh, there is no reason why you should not become okay. According to law, they will talk, okay? So there is no reason why you should become okay. This is called what? All the truth you are not supposed to say. Suppose your boss is making mistakes and either, according to you, in your mind, is a filtered idiot, you know it very well. You know, for filtered idiot means what? When all you idiot you take in the sieve and do it, all patapat put down, still one fellow still remain up, that is called filtered idiot. Okay? The special idiot. That is called filtered idiot. You know you are better than it. Somehow we become your boss. But you have to say what? You have to go ahead because you have to keep his ego up. You are wonderful. Wow, what a decision you are taking. If you take the truth means what? Monday onward you need not go to the office. Okay, that's all. Therefore, Shastra is very practical. Yadi vadishye satyam vadishye. If you say truth, all the truth you need not say. But what you say should be what? True. Brusha vadana tyagena. Brusha vadana tyagena means what? Never ever tell a lie. That was the thing. Now here Krishna gave up his pledge. Mother Earth was trembling. What will happen to me? Where will I go? Because the whole world is working on the Satyam. All are predictable laws, Satyam. Do you worry tomorrow gravitation will be functioning or not? Law of gravitation is always on. Satyam. Sunrise what? Same time. SON may not rise, but SUN rise same time, correct? SON takes time to rise. SUN the same time. Same time is what? Predictable time. Satyam. Oh Lord, if you break the Satyam, where will I go? And as though to give Asvasanam. Asvasanam is what? Don't worry. He put his Uttariya, upper cloth on him, her and said, I'm going to protect you, don't worry, okay? In American language, relax. They tell to relax to everybody. In airports also they tell me, when you get out, have a good day. Correct? And I asked them how. To teach that I came all the way from India. Correct? How do you have good day? You have to learn, otherwise bad day, every day is bad day. So this is way, Satya. It's very beautifully said. So now one more thing is there. Further you see, next verse. शीत विशिकः तो विशीर्णदंसः I will read slowly so you can read, okay? शीत विशिकः तो विशीर्णदंसः
शीतविशिखः तो विशीर्णदंशः
शतच परिप्लुत आततायिनो मे
शतज परिप्लुत आततायिनो मे
शतच परिप्लुत आततायिनो मे
शतज परिप्लुत आततायिनो मे
प्रसमभमभिससार मध्वदार्थम्
प्रसभमभिससार मध्वदार्थम्
प्रसभम् अभिससार
अभिससार
मध्वदार्थम्
मध्वदार्थम्
भवतु मे भगवा गतिर्मुकुन्दः
भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्दः
Again he uses the word Atatayi. I told you yesterday what is meaning the word Atatayi. Atatayinaha madvadhartham. All the 6 capital this crime who does is called as Atatayi. Bhishma Pitama feels he is Atatayi. Why? One who supports the Atatayi also is Atatayi. I don't do anything, but I support mafia don. Means what? You are also equally punishable, correct? You can't support them. Therefore, I supported Duryodhana. And Duryodhana is Atatayi. They call Manusmriti talks about Atatayi. One who puts to fire the standing crop. One who tried to strip off the women the cloth which he did to Draupadi. One who kills the person, try to kill the person who has no weapons whatsoever. Unarmed person you attack. They call very bad this time, they will never do Kshatriya. He has got weapon, you got weapon, then you fight. Third thing was giving a poison to somebody. He made a laddu and give to whom? Bhimasena. Bhimasena, he loves food. That is what his problem. He sees the food, he cannot remain. And he was not big tummy. He was Vrukodaraha. No tummy. He used to eat well. Therefore, you see, one who eats well alone should cook well. He was a very good cook also.